Okay, so we have embedded 3 photos. We've labeled the photos, which is optional. We've created a title. We have made sure that title is visible in the upper left-hand corner and also on the domain here, which I realize I have a typo. So, portfolio. Now we're going to embed the artist statement that we created in a previous assignment in the box provided. So we went to insert, text box, and we wound up with the text box here. That text box can actually be moved if you want to by finding this little grabbing tool and sliding it up here in between if you feel that it's better formatted. So I'm going to go to my Google Drive and I'm going to type in artist statement. I've created an artist statement as well. And I believe with everything that I have in my drive, it's under my name here. Let's see, here it is. So you're gonna open that Google Doc that I provided to you by searching it in your drive. And here is my artist statement, at which point I'm gonna take my cursor, align it with the artist statement, and highlight this statement here. Once the statement has been completely highlighted, you're going to right click and you're going to copy. Or you could also do Command C at the same time. I'm going to go back to my site here and I'm going to do Command V. And if I want to, I can do Command Z and I can paste it with a right click and do paste and match style. And I might want to better format that here. So it looks like there's quite a few spaces from the original document, and I want to make sure that those spaces aren't too large. So I'm just going into the text box and aligning it a little bit better. So you might choose to have this centered. Mine is to the left. And so you can click here and you can center it. Let's see what looks better. I think I like it better on the left, but you can mess around here with that. All right, let's go back to the assignment sheet here. And now we're going to include our logo and artist statement. We've already done the artist statement. So we inserted the text box and we went and found that artist statement in our drive. We highlighted the content from the artist statement and we pasted it into the text box. So now I can X-ag these here. Now, if you took a picture of your logo and that was something you drew by hand, or if you had a vector that you created from one of the websites, so let's go back and look at the logo assignment. You might have drawn it by hand or you might have created something using one of the generated online platforms, which would create a vector or a ping. Here are some from your peers, so you can see some examples of what other students achieved for their logo. And those are loading, so you can find those there. And what I'm going to do is go up to the top here, and if I hover over my name, it says Add Logo. Now I can upload an image or I can upload a vector, so I'm going to hit upload. And I believe that my logo that I created is in my download. So I'm going to go to downloads, see if I can find it. And I might have to spend a little time here messing around. But instead, let's see if I can upload just a regular picture and see what happens there to tie it all together. Looks like it works just fine. And so I'm going to hit select. Not select here. Looks like it's already embedded. If you can see the icon here, it looks like it went. I don't have to click anything more. It's already been uploaded. If the file size was too small or too large, it may read otherwise that there's an error. So you'll have to find an image to go up into that upper left-hand corner as your logo. And so I'm going to X-ag that now. And my site looks over